Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying power and basic signals so you can isolate the problem quickly. First, plug the TV directly into a known good outlet and turn off any surge protector. This removes one variable. Once done, swap fresh batteries into the remote and try the front panel buttons. If the LED blinks but screen remains black, proceed. Make sure to unplug the TV for 60 seconds to reset internal boards. Use this pause to inspect cords and look for scorch marks or loose connectors. Now you work through signal and input details to determine whether the issue is source or screen. Start by cycling inputs: HDMI 1, HDMI 2, TV tuner, and physically reset each cable. This rules out a bad contact. Then connect a different device or open a built-in app to confirm the TV can display anything. If audio works but no picture, examine HDMI features like ARC and CEC and disable them temporarily. Loose latching HDMI or incompatible hand. Finish by addressing firmware, software resets, and when to escalate to hardware repair. You should check for and apply any firmware updates over the network or with a USB file. Once updated, power cycle the set to stabilize software. If problems persist, perform a factory reset from the service menu to eliminate corrupt settings, or use the hard reset sequence recommended by the manufacturer. If the panel remains dark, note exact symptoms: LED codes, sounds, image flicker, then consult service. Power supplies and inverters are common component failures you may need replaced.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.